So we learned how to save our microbit code into our Google Drive. Now we're going to learn how to upload it. So the way that you upload it is when you get to the microbit website, so makecode.microbit.org, you're going to find in the top right corner area of your screen this import button right here that has an arrow pointing up. You're going to click on that. When you click on it, you have several different ways to get your work from your Google Drive on your Chromebook. We're not going to use the second two. We're going to use the very first one, import files. So we're going to click that right now. And as you can see, it says select MKCD or HEX files to open. We have no files chosen right now, so we're going to choose a file by clicking on the Choose File button. When we're here, it might accidentally or automatically go to the downloads, but you shouldn't have anything in your downloads, unlike me. We're going to click on the triangle next to Google Drive right here, and then we're going to click on the triangle next to My Drive right here. And we're going to scroll down until we get to the microbit folder we created earlier this year, microbit. And you can see by date in the right-hand column when these files were created, if you have multiple files with similar names, or if you remember what you named your microbit code, you can click on it by name, and then once you're done, you're going to click Open. Now, if for some reason you don't have a microbit folder, what you're going to do is just reset my screen, is you're going to click on Google Drive on the little arrow, and then you're going to click on My Drive, and you're going to scroll until, I have a lot of stuff, until you find your file. And once you find your file, you're going to click on the file, your microbit HEX file at the end, and click Open. When you have that, you'll see next to Choose File button, your microbit name, and you're going to hit Go Ahead. So now you're in your code and you can start back up. Just a reminder with the Finch, it's a good idea to go to Input, Button, when on button whatever pressed, that's when it starts, because if you have it on the basics, like on start or forever, it'll start once even when the microbit is plugged into the Finch, into the computer, the Finch will move. So make sure that you start with the input button for on button A, or you can press it for B, or A and B at the same time. It's a good idea to also loop some of your activities that you want your Finch to dance. So you make sure that you have this going. Don't forget to add some music. There's a whole bunch of different things you can do here, which is a lot of fun. And most importantly, after you've done the first three codes, this purple one, this green one, you want to go to Finch and hit your Start Finch button. So that way it knows when to start. You also have to include your Stop Finch. So you go right here and you scroll towards the bottom and you should be able to find it right there. If you forget how to get your Finch code, you're going to go to Extensions. You're going to go to the search bar and search for Finch. Once you found it, you're going to click it, and it's going to add the extension and the code into your library. I hope this helps. Have a great day. Bye.